Alright everyone, so this video I'm going to show you guys how I like to put away all my gear. Why? Because it's just another reason to make another video for my YouTube subscribers and for any potential subscribers, for everyone to watch. Please share, like, and subscribe. So just finished that tree. It was a really cool climb. We got all this to do. Yes, I'm a contract climber, so I just come out here and leave a mess, and then I go about my business. So I'll take this handsaw off, right? I wasn't here earlier because I had to take the Omni carabiner off of my Akimbo and throw it on the Notch Rope Runner Pro of all things, huh? Wow, this is a great carabiner. Definitely want to face it down this way, and I'll show you why. Because if you clip in this way, you have the potential for snag. You see, a little edge will catch it. So this carabiner has treated me very nice in the past with the Zigzag. And so I definitely recommend it for the Rope Runner Pro if you guys are looking for the best carabiner, guys. Anyway, let's just put everything away. So I have the Tree Motion Light Saddle here. Tree Motion Light Saddle. Got a few attachments on it. One of which is the Shembiner. The small one. If you guys don't know what that is, it's just a carrying tool, and there it is. And I hang a lot of things off of it, but yeah, anyway, there's the other carrying tool. Here goes the nice figure 8 to tie my ropes to. I need to just hold a rope in here. I just girth it, do like some kind of a girth hitch on here, pull it right through over these ears, and it's really nice. I have a little med bag, first aid kit, should say. I think it's got an Israeli wrap in there, some sorts of that. Next, so if you guys didn't know, I got this bag for free from Triact. They were doing a special sale and I hopped on it immediately. They gave away this huge bag. It's worth like 150 bucks. It was incredible. But yeah, and next, the oil and the gas. Get some water. I'm kind of thirsty right now. So yeah, dismantling your whole setup can be a whole process, and this is my process usually. Yeah, now I throw this extra rope in there. I'm probably gonna start bringing another rope. Yeah, I think I need another rope. Anyway, yeah, I could fit like another 150 foot in here, maybe even 2 more 150 footers. Yeah, there's a lot of space in the bag. Jeez. Anyway, here got my this is like a goodie bag for climbers. Jeez. You guys want to see what a goodie bag for climbers looks like? There. So I got a swivel in there. Got an OK Carabiner for the chicane. For the chicane. Let's see the chicane. Probably down in there. Let's look for the chicane. Really hope I didn't leave it somewhere. Here we go. There it is. Goodness gracious, almost gave me a heart attack. Anyway, down there in that little brown package there, got I have some tape in there, some rope tape, and I also have probably a small idle screwdriver. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, got one of those. And then, yeah, this is how it all comes together, guys. But anyway, back to this. Got the rope branch on this beautiful tether. Love this tether. What a great tether. Yeah, just got a bunch of carabiners in there. Zigzag, Akimbo, Petzl pulley. Got a little ribbon pulley here. I like to run this on my bridge. Good little tool, but I need something a little bit wider, more spaced out. Okay. And turned out to be more of an overview of my kit, but I am also dismantling everything. So yeah, so this little thing right here was for rescue purposes. Yep. And here's that quickie link. So, you know, a lot of guys were bashing me because for my base anchors, I was using a ANSI gate carabiner, and then they were saying, like, you know, aluminum carabiners are no good. You shouldn't trust in them like that, and they have a good point. But you know what? It's better to stay on the safe side, you know, not just trying to bend to the wind there, but it just makes sense to just be on the safe side, I guess. I know that carabiner, you know, before anyone started using these kind of things, they were using, you know, any carabiner pretty much. And I know that a carabiner is, wow, well, it's worth its weight in gold. Seriously, the carabiners are no, they're not, you know, they're nothing to sneeze at when it comes to breaking the string. Because I've done things to carabiners that, you know, carabiners should not be put through in very few terms. You know what I mean? Might have been more of a jackass move than anything, but I did it anyway. You know, before I started getting on YouTube and anyway and all that. So yeah, I love climbing, guys. This is my baby, my hobby, and I get paid for it too. But it just makes it that much better. It's like, you know, I love to climb. But by the way, you can also get paid for it. It's like, oh jeez. Yes, I love to climb. Hopefully soon I can start doing some competitions, man. I really would love to start doing competition climbing and do it more for sport, you know. Even get into doing my, you know, getting certified for aerial rescues and all that, because I have the heart of a helper. So, you know, definitely would love to do some rescue climbing. Because I can do this all day, you know, but it's like really hard to find a good crew, a solid, just like a solid state crew, you know, solid state drive, you know, state of the art, you know, just an amazing crew, and I have. But unfortunately, that company doesn't want to pay me. So, well, they do pay me, obviously. They don't want to pay me what I want. It's a shame, man. You know how little people will value your effort, your experience. So I guess a word from the wise: value yourself where you think you're valued, and don't move from there. Well, how about this? Move from there, but you don't move back. You move forward. You stay forward, man. When you don't move forward, people see that you're serious, that you know if you really want me to climb for you, I want this much money. I can't just take anything you offer. So forget them, man. People who don't want to pay you, you know, thank you, have a nice day, and you know, figure something else out. Maybe you can sell yourself to them in a different way. Not sell yourself in any derogatory term or anything like that, but more in terms of you know, you bring something else to the plate, which they may see as something of value, and they'll take you in. And if not, well, it's been nice doing business with you, and yeah, goodbye. So yeah, guys, check that out. That's 150 foot of rope. I can probably put all that rope in here, still put all of that stuff in here, and then there's still a safe block in there with a 16-foot sling and some other ropes, like small pieces, I think, and I can still throw all that in here, and probably about then I'll be full. But I can fit a lot more in this bag. It's amazing. What I usually do is just put my helmet in there. So with that being said, everyone, thank you for watching. Really appreciate all the love, the comments, the engagement, you know what I'm saying? Thank you so much, and until next time, yo, have a great day, and climb safe, everyone. Peace.